So here we are. I'm gonna start the truck. We got it on neutral. Let's see if you can hear the difference between when the clutch is in and when the clutch is out. No noise. Everything sounds perfectly. Now I'm gonna release the clutch. You're gonna start hearing this awkward noise. Clutch in, clutch out. In, out. So it sounds like some kind of gears are getting together or something strange. So now this is in neutral. I'm not pressing the clutch. I'm just going to pull it forward, towards the low gear. No noise. I release, there's a noise. First gear, clutch out. No noise. I release it, noise. And that's the same thing towards every gear. So pretty much we're not mechanics ourselves, but there it is. So we got it out on the highway. It shifts perfectly from the first gear to the last one. Reverse. While you're driving, there is no strange noises. So this noise kicks in only on neutral. That's it.